Hello everyone, this is Dr. Usha Kumari, Assistant Professor, Department of English. Today I'm going to discuss with you the question from the text, The Merchant of Venice, the character sketch of Antonio. It's very important question for the exam point of view. So let's get started with the question. Question will be like this: give a character sketch of Antonio or comment on the character of Antonio with an example from the text. So, students, Antonio is the rich merchant of Venice. We already know it. His large ship sails on the seas and with rich silk and spices. He is not worried about his ventures. He feels secure, but when the news of the loss of his ships arrives, he is unable to pay off his debt to Shylock. He becomes bankrupt. Antonio is highly esteemed by all. His selfless generosity is admired by all and sundry. He is the kindest gentleman ever seen. He is associated with ancient Roman honor. He loves Bassanio truly as a friend. He lends money in gratis, which is the source of annoyance for Shylock, the another merchant or the Jewish merchant of Venice, because it brings down the rate of usury. He has lent money on his best friend many times. The very first quality of Antonio is a melancholy character. Melancholy means sad. Antonio is one of the leading characters of the play. He may be regarded as its hero, even though he falls short of some of the qualities that we generally associated with the hero. When we meet him, first we find him suffering from a fit of melancholy. This is an unheroic quality. It's not known why he is so sad. In act first, scene first, he admits that he is sad, yet he can not advance any reason for his melancholy. Perhaps he is sad because he has a vague premonition of the misfortune he will befall him. In any case, this melancholy clings on to him throughout the play. His melancholy robs him of all strengths, physical and mental. He considers the world as a stage wherein men and women are called up to act their parts, and mine a sad one, he adds. In the second quality, we see that he is a passive and static character. No doubt, Antonio, the pivot means dhuri of the play. All the events of the play revolves around him. The play begins and ends with him, but he does nothing himself. He is inactive, he is passive. The next quality is careless of money. He is almost careless of wealth. Thus, Antonio, with his carelessness of money, presents a striking contrast with the Shylock, whose most marked trait of characteristic is greed for money. Antonio is noble and generous. Antonio has a number of qualities of head and heart. Due to his noble qualities, he is held in high esteem by the people. He is generous and kind. Celerio speaks of him highly and says, "A kinder gentleman trends not the earth." Bassanio speaks of him as the dearest friend and kindest man. So we see that he is generous and he is very kind to his friends and other people. The next quality, the next we see that even Portia talks highly of the love between him and Bassanio. He helps the people generously. He lends them money free of interest or gratis. We see that Bassanio has several times borrowed money from him, and he has always obliged him. He is more obviously a gentleman than a merchant. He is a master of money and not mastered by it. So he spends it generously for his own happiness and that of others. His love for Bassanio is also appreciable. Antonio has a deep affection for Bassanio. He is ready to make any sacrifice for his dearest friend. His purse has always been open to Bassanio's needs, even though Bassanio's previous debts to Antonio have not yet been repaid. Antonio offers him every kind of help, financial and otherwise. My person, my extremest means lie all unlocked to your occasions. He goes to the extent of borrowing money even from his bitter enemy for the sake of Bassanio, and signs the risky bond for his sake. Antonio's eyes fill with tears at Bassanio's departure. Salanio says, I think he only loves the world. For him, when Antonio faces death, he has no regrets. His only desire to see Bassanio before he dies. In the trial scene, he experiences readiness to die. Speaking to Bassanio, he says, Give me your hand, Bassanio, fare you well, grieve not that I am fallen to this for you. He's so generous and he's so selfless. Next quality is his prejudice, racial and religious. Like all other Christians of the time, Antonio hates the Jews. He has many times cursed the Jew, called him a dog and cur, and has got spat on his Jewish gabardine. When Antonio approaches Shylock for a loan, he reminds Antonio of ill treatment that he has received from him. Fear, sir, you spat on me on Wednesday last. You spurred me such a day. Another time you called me a dog. But Antonio, instead of feeling any regret, replies that he will treat him exactly the same way in future also. He says that I'm as likely to call thee so again, to spit on the again, to spurn thee too. He wants a loan from Shylock not as a friend but as an enemy. The attitude of Antonio towards Shylock is shocking. This is a drawback of his character, and it's extreme drawback. Moving to the conclusion, at the end we see that Antonio is a kind, noble and virtuous. He has many qualities of head and heart in that passive virtues of devotion and self-sacrifice. He is heroic, but he faces the terrible ordeal of the trial with dignity and courage. His appearance and manners with him universal respect, yet his racial prejudice is a ड्रॉबैक. हम देखते हैं कि एंटोनियो वेनिस का एक व्यापारी है, वो क्रिश्चियन है और उसके जहाज़ हैं उनमें वो जोखिम लेता है, मसाले और रेशम भर कर भेजता है और उनके डूबने की न्यूज़ आ जाती है, खबर आ जाती है. जब शाइलॉक कर्ज चुकाने में असमर्थ होता है, दिवालिया हो जाता है, एंटोनियो को वो शाइलॉक का कर्ज नहीं चुकाता, डेट नहीं चुका पाता है. एंटोनियो को सम्मान तो सभी करते हैं क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल सेल्फलेस है और अपने मित्र सैनियों को वो बहुत सपोर्ट करता है, उसकी बहुत हेल्प करता है. जब उसके पैसे ख़त्म हो जाते हैं तो वो इवन अपने बीटर एनिमी से पैसे लेकर उसे देता है. लेकिन एक सैड कैरेक्टर है, मेलैंकोलिक कैरेक्टर है और ये एक हीरो की क्वालिटी नहीं होती. दिस इज़ अ ड्रॉबैक. इन एक्ट फर्स्ट सीन फर्स्ट में हम देखते हैं कि वो एक्सेप्ट करता है कि मुझे हर किसी को एक रोल मिला है स्टेज परफॉर्म करने के लिए इस लाइफ में, एंड मेरा जो रोल है दैट इज़ मेलैंकोलिक. लेकिन वो अपने वेल्थ की भी ज़्यादा परवाह नहीं करता है. इज़ केयरलेस अबाउट हिज वेल्थ और वो बिना इंटरेस्ट के लोगों को प्याज देता है. इवन अपने फ्रेंड से पहले का पैसा नहीं मिला होता उसे और दे देता है, इवन अपने एनिमी से लेकर भी देता है. और एक पैसिव कैरेक्टर्स भी है. पूरे प्ले के दौरान हम देखते हैं कि ही रिमेन्स सैड. कहीं भी वो कुछ किसी सीन को किसी चीज़ को आगे बढ़ाने में हेल्प नहीं करता. काइंड है, जनरस है, उसकी दयालुता की तो सब बात करते हैं, बहुत ही हर किसी की हेल्प करता है. लेकिन बसैनियो के लिए जो स्पेशल लव है दैट इज़ ब्लाइंड लव. उसके लिए बहुत फैक्सीनेट है वो बसैनियो के प्रति, और इवन अपना पर्स, अपना वेल्थ, अपना इवन बॉडी तक वो सेक्रीफाइस करने के लिए तैयार हो जाता है. लेकिन एक और बड़ा जो ड्रॉबैक है वो है उसका कि वो अपने रिलीजन और अपनी कास्ट को लेके प्रेजुडाइज है. उसको क्रिश्चियनिटी पसंद है और अदर जो जू है शाइलॉक जो दूसरा मर्चेंट है वो उसको पसंद नहीं करता है और उसको डॉग कहता है, उसको कर कहता है, उसको ऊपर थूकता है. सो ये चीज़ें एक हीरो के अंदर नहीं होती हैं. सो इन दिस वे हम देखते हैं कि कुछ काइंडनेस है, उसके अंदर अच्छे ट्रेड्स हैं, अच्छा कैरेक्टर है, लोग उसको रेस्पेक्ट भी करते हैं, बट उसके अंदर कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स भी हैं. So this is all about the character sketch of Antonio, and guys, this is very important character sketch for exam point of view, as I have already told you. So thank you students, that's all for this lecture. Have a nice day. It's time for bye now. Like and subscribe this channel to get more videos on other questions. Thank you students.